effectively. Hello, my name is Henry Wafula. I'm working with the National Water and Sewage Corporation. I am the Billing Officer and Performance Analyst in Mbale area, currently pursuing a Master's in Business Administration and Management as per my work experience. I deal with computers since I am the Data and Business Analyst of the area in my day-to-day operations. The business plan I have entails a business profile where the firm name is Dallis and Family Computers Limited, reflecting the intention of the firm to provide a unique and high-quality service in the computer industry. Actions will be allowed to speak loudly than words, so therefore I'll share with you a few pointers. Products and services. We deal and offer computer services. The company will provide services like software development, computer repair and maintenance, hardware software sales to mention. The objectives of the goal have been broken down into two: the company objective and the business objective. For the company objective, Dallis and Family Computers Limited is established with many objectives which are smart and aligned with the company resources, both human and non-human. The goal of the business is to ensure the business expands exponentially and have as many branches across the country as possible. Our vision and mission include the following. The mission is to provide reliable and quality service to both local and foreign people at affordable prices as we strive to ensure customer loyalty. Our vision is to be a center of national establishment with utmost trust and confidence as the one source of computer services and maintain that number one position for the foreseeable period. Our board of directors will be made up of two shareholders of the company, that is to say Nampa Brolin and Mugara Robert, who are in a quest for efficiency and effectiveness. The management team will be basically built up with an employment space of 19 people at the start. However, the number is expected to increase with the growth and expansion of the business in order to serve the market capacity efficiently and effectively. When we look at our marketing overview, we have what we call the marketing plan. For Dallis and Family Computers Limited, we will provide a variety of services like special computer repairs, software development, and many others. The company, therefore, will emphasize on the benefit and uniqueness of its services. The venture intends to serve loyal customer base for its services, such as those who will visit the industry more frequently, and this will be done through recognition as well as credit facilities and assured services. The venture intends to have an efficient and effective irrational campaign for its services through advertising, sales promotion, publicity, and public relations. Now, under our marketing plan, we have the target market, which will look at factors of the marketing mix strategy, which under the marketing mix strategy, we have the price, we have the promotion, brochures, and advertising. So all of these services, we believe that when put in place, we shall be able to reach our future outlook. So how does our future outlook look like right now? When we do all the above, the company plans to grow and expand its operations beyond Bugisu sub-region. And in fact, we expect to go in regions of Teso and Karamoja. And if we are really, really positive and we're able to meet all the objectives of the company, we shall even move into the Kenyan market. I thank you very much for your attention. God bless you all.